Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a video capture card with your Xbox One. A capture card is a vital piece of hardware for recording or streaming your gameplay. It acts as a bridge, converting your Xbox's video signal into a format your computer can understand. To begin, gather your Xbox One console, a compatible capture card, a computer, 2 HDMI cables, and a USB cable, typically a USB 3.0, for optimal performance. Now, let's connect everything. First, unplug the existing HDMI cable from your Xbox One's HDMI out port. Take one of your new HDMI cables and connect it from the Xbox One's HDMI out to the capture card's HDMI in port. Next, use your second HDMI cable to connect the capture card's HDMI out to your television or monitor. Finally, plug the capture card into your computer using the USB cable, ideally a USB 3.0 port for faster data transfer. With the hardware connected, it's time for software. Begin by installing any required drivers or applications from your capture card manufacturer's website. Then, launch your chosen streaming software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs. In the Sources section, click the plus icon and select Video Capture Device. From the drop-down menu, choose your capture card. Make sure your Xbox One is turned on and displaying video, and you should see its output in the software preview. Before you start, check your settings. Confirm that your video resolution and frame rate, such as 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second, are correctly configured within your software to match your capture card. Adjust your audio inputs to capture both game sound and your microphone if you're adding commentary. Always do a short test recording to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Once satisfied, simply click the Record or Stream button to share your Xbox One adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.